Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi,
Okay, this is Boss Baby and Dub C again. And we're doing another unboxing of some RC parts. And this is from Avid Racing. What's Avid Racing make, Boss Baby? Bearings.
Wings.
Yeah, bearings. So we'll see what we got. It's open. Okay.
Rain.
Get them out. Pull them out.
Yeah,
Pull them out. What's you got? Oh, what are those? Those are bearings. What are they for? They say, oh, XXX. New bearings for the XXX-T. Nicely packaged. And all the small bearings, which I ordered extra, or the wheel bearings, which I ordered extras that go on the wheels, or in the case. Or is that these ones? Oh, what are these? 4x7 by 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah. What are these ones? Oh, so these bearings are for the MLST, the LOSI MLST2, the mini LST. So we got 4x7 by 2.5 revolution bearings. So they have metal on one side and they're rubber sealed on one side. So they will move better than rubber on both sides. Oh, what's that? Stickers. And then these ones are also revolution bearings and they're 5x9 by 3. Okay. Here, pull out the rest. Okay, we'll do these later. Pull out. Still got stuff in there. Pull out the next one. What's that one? Oh, look, bunch of packages. We have wing washers. Kyosho. They're small, real small. So we probably won't be using them on the Italian.
One more.
We don't know what we'll use. We'll use them for something. Here we go. These are servo mount spacers. These are carbon fiber servo mount spacers. This one's 1.5 millimeters, and this one's 1.5 millimeters. You get 2 in each. So now we got some spacers. Spacers. Spacer, the servo on the Italian is like pretty much touching the chassis, so I just want to lift it up just a little bit. So I got some 1.5 millimeter, and we'll see how those do. And if I stack them, I'll get 3 millimeters. So they're real small. They're nice, carbon fiber, so they'll look good. Okay, pull it up. What's that one? They're 4x8 by 3 revolution bearings. Nice. Okay, what else? I think we got more. What's that? What's next? Pull it up. Ooh, Daddy's been waiting for those. What are those ones? So these are 3 millimeter red aluminum countersunk washers. Yeah. Gonna be really nice for Italian.
See guys.
So I use chrome ones or aluminum ones now, you know, like brush or polish, to mount the rear mud guards, RPM mud guards. So I'm gonna put those on, and maybe some other places will put some red washers, make it look nice. What was the last one? 7x11 by 3, and these are metal washers. All metal. So maybe these are steering washers. There's 4 of them.
Washers. Green. Red. White.
That looks like it. So we have MLST bearing set, We have the XXX bearing set, carbon fiber spacers for the servo, some 3mm washers, and some Kyosha wing mounts that we probably won't use. They look cool. I like the white and the red, that's why I ordered them, because the Italian, let's show them the Italian now has J Concepts finisher wing on it in white. So I got the hot racing buttons on them, which I like. They're big, real big. So compare them to these Kyosho ones. That's not gonna work, everyone. Look at that. They're a joke. They're for like a mini car. But also, latest revision is the M2C shock towers. The brace for the RPM wing mount, so I don't snap it off. Armal wheelie bar, works really good. Front M2C shock tower, and also have their shock mounts. And then inside we have a new hot racing servo arm and ST Concepts bell crank in there, red. Kind of hard to see with the cover on. Hold on. There we go. There's a shot of it. And it's anodized red. Okay. YouTube out. Say Dub C out. Boss Baby out. Say Boss Baby out.